In this video, I will show you how to add multiple signatures in Gmail. If this video helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Under General, scroll down until you find Signature. Select Create New. You can give it a signature name. Let's just name it Kyle. Create. You can then create another signature. We'll name this one Mark. And you can add information to that signature. This is for Kyle. And under Mark, we can say this is for Mark. Under Signature Defaults, you can then select which signature goes where. So for new emails, we can use Kyle or Mark. And then on reply forward use, we can select Kyle or Mark. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.